AGPU, and this is one that Brent, I believe, was already on here. This is X Compute. X Compute receives $260 million in a 36-month contract to provide 2,304 NVIDIA B300 GPUs. They're trading higher after they announced this, and it will AI-focused high-speed storage infrastructure from a single U.S. Tier 3 data center facility. Excuse me. So this is our 100% runner here today. Stock is up 561. Stock closed at 488 yesterday. Does have 5.69% of the float shorted with 3.56 days to cover. So there's some short interest in there, but it's pretty minimal, frankly. 1.8 million shares is your 100-day average. It's done 27 million here today, and the float is just shy of 3 million. 13, what do you think here, AGPU, for a trade?
I think that headline was starting to sound a little boring to you because it seemed like you were falling asleep there for a second. But anyway, there's a big loss on this one that they just realized last year. That was from unrealized digital asset losses. Company has no revenue, has some cash, so going to need to see some of that contract money show up on the balance sheet because they don't have a whole lot of it otherwise. But this 36-month, $260 million contract, that's what's lifting it up here today. Don't have a whole lot more to add to that. You covered pretty much most of it. I had support at $8 with VWAP as resistance for now. We did try to test it once when we lost VWAP. It was rejected, but we're still hanging out here above $8. And it's actually, we're above $9.75. But $8 is the big resistance that I have down from where we are. And beneath that is the 65 EMA. But seeing as how we're going sideways here, I'd be watching to see if we can try to move back up towards VWAP again.
And we are, in fact, in a bullish fair value gap. It is a huge one. So obviously trading this one, you're going to have to be very careful about a stop if you do end up doing it. We broke in here. We've been unable to break out yet, although it looks like it's flirting with that. That VWAP does give us target 1 above, and then maybe the $14 pre-market high, maybe target 2 if it continues to bounce. Webcoin here saying, AGPU, the details are not clear. The $260 million value of the contract may be mostly the cost of the GPUs.
Probably.
So just something to think about. There we go. AGPU. We'll see what we end up getting here.